Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the environment setup for the Python programming, and this is under AI 101. So let's begin the today's session. We will first create a directory in this computer. I have yeah, uh, E and D drive, and under E and D drive I will create a directory first, and then I will create a virtual environment. And first let's go to the run, and then just run a command. Okay, command prompt. Any let's type here command prompt first, and in the command prompt to move to the directory here in the G drive. Okay, and then let's make a directory mkdir, make directory here, and I will I'm giving the name AI101 here. Okay, and yeah, you can see here directory. Let's refresh it. Yeah, here is one directory, and under that directory I'm going to make a virtual environment. First move inside this directory, just cd space ei101. Okay, and then type python minus m for virtual environment venv, and this name AI101 underscore virtual env. Okay, yeah, now it create here. You can see virtual environment for the Python, and is going to installing, the system is installing the virtual environment. You can check inside this, and here you can find the Python. Right here the Python 3.10 version is already installed, and let's now we have to activate this. Just activate it. Okay, slash activate. Okay, yeah, now you can see the console is inside this environment. The environment is already activated. Okay, now you can, if you want, you can deactivate the environment as well. Now you can install all your required library inside this virtual environment. Let's install Jupyter Notebook first. Pip install Jupyter. Okay, yeah, the Jupyter Notebook is going to install, so it will take some time. You can also see here some file is already adding here for the Jupyter Notebook, and in the script inside that environment, virtual environment, my installation for the Jupyter Notebook is completed. And now you can upgrade the Python version also, and also you can add you can install any libraries. For example, let's install PyTorch. Pip install torch, or you can add torch vision torch audio. You can add at the same time all the required library in a line, or TensorFlow, NumPy, any library that you need for the for your programming. You can directly install in this way. It's going to take some time to install these libraries. Okay, it's completed. Okay, so let's launch for the Jupyter notebook. For the Jupyter notebook, just type Jupyter notebook here in the console, and then execute it, and then you will the Jupyter notebook will open in browser. From the file menu you can open the new file for Jupyter notebook, and here you can start your coding for Python. For example, I will just print here the hello world first. Print hello world, just for the execution. This is the button here. Yeah, here hello world. Now you can see the Python is already installed for our system, and the Jupyter notebook is working well, right? So yeah, here in this drive we have this script, right? This is the we created a virtual environment, and under script here you can see the Python, our new Python here. So you can integrate this Python with any ID. For example, I'm going to integrate it with the Eclipse, right? Here you can check the Eclipse. Eclipse, okay, Eclipse download. You can download it from this Eclipse site. Okay, there is multiple multiple version of the Eclipse here. Okay, so from the Eclipse ID you can download it, and also you need the JDK, Java JDK download, and you can first you should first download this JDK, and yeah, here this is the JDK. Okay, you can download as your requirement and install it. And after that, for the Windows, here is the JDK exe version. This is the JDK 22, and you can just download it and then install it. And after that, you should install this Eclipse first, and after installation, yeah, here I already installed the Eclipse ID. So let's open first this Eclipse. Here this is the Eclipse. I already running this Eclipse. Okay, yeah, so I have already installed this Eclipse and the JDK, and here I will just show you how to integrate our Python. We have already installed in our virtual environment here. And so here in the this Eclipse, first you have to install PyDev for the Python programming, and this you can install from the help menu, and from the help you can install new software, and here you should add, and you should type PyDev first, and the location, here the location, and for the location http pydev.org /updates. Okay, you can edit. So in my case is here already installed, so you can install in the similar way. Okay, and then select, and then next, and then okay, it's already installed. Okay, now finish. Okay, and so after PyDev installation, and you should integrate your Python from the Windows menu here, in the okay no. Okay, here I will show you here the preferences first. From the Windows menu, you should click on the preferences, and here you can find the PyDev you already installed here, and then interpreters, and here click the Python interpreter, and here you should add your new environment. Okay, so I have some already installed environment here. Okay, so I will delete this environment, and connect my new environment here. Just remove it, and new environment I have from the this is my location, and I 101 AI environment script. And here I have Python newly installed, and here just connect it. Okay, okay, and then apply and close. Okay, and now your ID is connected with this new environment here. Yeah, in this way you can connect your environment with the Eclipse ID here. Now after some time it will install your environment. It will connect your Python with this ID after some time. Okay, so I just skip here. I just skip it here, and let's continue the next. Yeah, it's already connected here. Okay, so now you will yeah, after there is other method also for the Python installation. For example, you can install Python directly using the Microsoft Store here, like this, and just search Python here, and you can find the different Python version, and just you can use it. Okay, also you can use like Anaconda package, Anaconda download here, and just here from here you can get the Anaconda download. Okay, and also you can use Miniconda installation here, Miniconda. Yeah, here is the Miniconda, and you can install it, Miniconda also, and just you can use Python from python.org, python.org here. Okay, you can directly use it from this site also for the Windows. Okay, yeah, this is the different method to install the Python here, right? So if you are using the if your system have the CUDA or GPU, then you can install the CUDA also for the GPU installation. For example, yeah, from the NVIDIA you should this is the site. Okay, just nvidia.com download. You can just use from this site, and the first you should install the drivers. Yeah, here you should choose the driver, what type of GPU you have. Just for example, in my case it's the NVIDIA RTX I have, and then I have the RTS and this is the FX series. Okay, and then for example this one, and I have Windows, and then I can use this and then search it, and after that you can download it and install it. For the first you should install the driver, and then after the driver, you can download. You should download the CUDA toolkit from this site. It's the developers.nvidia.com/CUDA dash toolkit.archive. Okay, and here here are different versions of the CUDA toolkit, and it should perfectly match with your GPU version and the and your the driver versions. Okay, and you should check it first and then download it for your cases, and after that, after the CUDA toolkit installation, you should use the CUDNN CUDA neural network library, deep neural network library, CUDNN for the Windows. In my case, this is the my version, and you can install by the local. This is the exe file. Just download it, and then you can use it in the CUDA version. And these three steps are the additional for the GPU users. Okay, and you should only one thing you should consider, that you should match the versions. Okay, after the version is okay and everything is fine, then you can use the GPU using the TensorFlow or the PyTorch. Okay, yeah, these are the some basic steps to for the installation of the Python and the GPU. Okay, that's it for today's class, and see you next week, next class for the basic Python programming. Thank you very much. Thank you for your attention.